In our last video, we talked about breaking the cycle of overworking in your cleaning business and how you can work less than 10 hours a week while increasing your revenue. Today, we're going to dive into the first steps to get you started on this journey. But before we start, pay it forward and hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get to it. First, assess your current situation. List daily and weekly tasks to get a clear picture of where your time is going. Identify the activities that are consuming most of your time. Evaluate the current systems and processes to see what is working and what is not working. Next, start delegating those tasks. Identify which tasks can be handled over to your team. Train and empower them to take on these responsibilities. Set clear expectations and standards to ensure consistent and quality. You should be focused on the 3 most important things and get those things done. Implement efficient systems to save time. Automate routine tasks like invoicing and appointment scheduling. Use scheduling and management tools, your CRM, to keep everything organized. Streamline communication with your team and clients to reduce that back and forth. Also, that miscommunication. The last thing you want to do is not communicate effectively. Shift your focus to high-value activities. Prioritize strategic planning to guide your business direction. Build and nurture relationships with your clients to ensure loyalty and referrals. Invest in marketing and growth initiatives to expand your reach. You can't get more clients if you don't work on that advertising and marketing. Regularly review and adjust your systems and processes. Super important. Set regular review meetings with your team and assess that progress. Track key performance indicators to measure your success and see what is working and what's not working. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track and continue improving. You always want to track your weekly data so you know what to do the following week. And now for some gold nuggets. Focus on customer satisfaction to drive repeat business and referrals. That is the name of the game, passive income. Encourage feedback from your team and identify areas that you need to improve. Stay adaptable and open to change as your business grows and evolves. Listen to your team. They're out in the field. They'll give you some feedback on how you can improve your systems and processes. Ready to take the first steps towards working less and earning more in your cleaning business? Check out the previous video as I discuss breaking the cycle and getting you down to working 10 hours a week or less. So if you like this video, like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips on how to transform your cleaning business to that next level.